IFPC Pet Insurance Norway app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Pet Insurance Norway app is designed to simplify pet insurance management. Many assume it's just a policy viewer, but it allows claims submission, premium tracking, and real-time coverage monitoring. On the pros side, the app provides full access to policy details covering accidents, illnesses, and optional wellness plans. Filing claims is simple. You can upload vet bills, receipts, and photos directly from your phone. Premiums are easy to manage, with reminders and a full payment history. Push notifications alert you to claim updates, policy changes, and upcoming payments. Multi-pet support is also available, making it convenient for households with more than one pet. On the con side, offline functionality is limited, requiring an internet connection for most features. Some users report slower performance when accessing older claims or detailed documents. The app also lacks advanced features such as wellness trackers or cost calculators, which could be a drawback for owners seeking deeper insights. In conclusion, the IFPC Pet Insurance Norway app is a practical and user-friendly tool for Norwegian pet owners. While it does offer advanced planning tools, it excels in claims handling, premium tracking, and policy monitoring, providing convenience, transparency, and peace of mind.